today's the day. We're gonna have to cut back our flock. We've got 6 roosters out of 12 chickens. Well, actually 11 now, we lost one. But 6 out of 12 roosters are fighting with each other. So we're gonna cut back, we're gonna butcher them. If you don't like seeing where your food comes from, then you probably don't wanna watch this video, because we're gonna show you, I'm not gonna show you the actual killing. No one wants to see that, but we're gonna show you how we're gonna butcher our chickens. This is a way to supply our food for our family, and that's why we're showing you this. So you're going to help me with all this?
Yes.
Yeah? You excited?
Yes.
Yeah. You going to be sad when we got to kill the chicken?
No.
No?
I'm not sad about Ralph.
Yeah. Yeah, they're fighting with each other. We got to cut it back. That'll help them all out. And then we're gonna just make a real quick cut by his jawline here. Make it nice and easy. So we ain't gonna show this, but that's what I'm gonna do. I gotta do this. Okay, check the wing feather. Ain't ready yet. Okay. Just a little bit more. Okay. Put the feet next time. Okay. Okay, since you got that on?
Yeah, I just can't see you. Okay.
That's alright. Since we didn't get his legs under, I'm going to stick his legs under now, then we'll peel them. Kelsey's going to use the feet for, what, broth or stock or whatever?
Yep.
We'll leave them under there, which
For 30 minutes.
it's just a little bit hot. Wow. It's a little bit hot, so good. We won't need any more wood. We decided we're going to do one more rooster today, because I think we're going to invest in a plucker. It's not bad. It's not bad plucking one, but I think a plucker does a whole lot better job in a lot quicker time. And I think it'll make the whole experience more fun.
Can I cut the...
See? Let me get closer here. See it?
Up a little bit.
Right here?
Yeah.
See? And then the skin's just peeling right off.
Daddy, can I, like...
You want to do some?
I want to, like, cut the leg off.
Okay, yeah, we'll do that here in a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and get the other rooster, which it'll be a black Australorp rooster.
Now that doesn't look good to me.
Okay, there it is, all cleaned up. I beat Kelsey with my foot.
You just left me here holding it.
Yeah. So that one's ready. So we're gonna maybe put it on ice for a little bit while we're waiting to get this other one all ready before a fire goes out.
What do you think about all this, Kaylee?
I like it.
You like it?
Okay. Let's continue.
Oh, yes. Let's continue. Hey, ow.
Cut the esophagus there, and we'll get rid of all that. Okay, Kaylee.
Let me just put my shoe on. I think I have.
So we're going to take this,
Okay.
and then we're going to...
I'll just do the other foot. I know how to cut a leg off.
like that, and then we're going to bend it back. Right there.
I like to do how Joshua did it. He bended his chicken leg.
One foot.
Okay. I'll just do the other
So you can
side.
feel it break free.
Mm-hmm.
Now we bend it back and we cut it right here.
I'll cut the rest of it.
Well, I don't want you messing with knives yet.
But
I
I
just
do.
want you to see this, since you're so interested.
I was interested in the other one. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. You cut the stuff up.
Okay, here we go.
Why, I
Now,
grab my hand in.
now we're gonna do this. We're gonna pull back here,
Mm-hmm.
cut a little slit there.
Mm-hmm.
Remember?
The funny bone.
No, this is like a sternum, like a chest bone.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
You're going to get a hole.
get a little hole.
That's a big hole.
I'm not quite there yet. Let's see if I can get in there. There we go.
Okay, time for me to pull it out.
Well, you think you're gonna do this?
Yes. I have to do it. Oh, no.
Okay. Now, get up in there and break everything apart
Okay.
on the sides, up on top. How you doing over there?
That's gross.
Okay, here it comes. Okay.
You know there's still stuff in there.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
You know that's gross.
I know.
But I will help you with the other stuff.
Lungs.
Yeah.
That's one. Oh, the other one's
But what are these?
Those are nuts.
Nuts?
Yeah.
Chickens eat nuts?
Yeah, they eat nuts.
But I never.
Here's another lung. Let's
Huh?
focus on the lung.
But there's so much lungs.
Okay.
I know.
All right. Now
lungs.
see, we don't want to cut that because that's got poop in it. So
Poop.
yeah. So we're gonna cut down here.
I saw what you did. Because mommy was in the way of everything.
Well, that's why you're out here now. Okay.
Nuts. Nuts to the butts.
Okay. No, I don't want the tail either. So we're gonna cut all that off. Okay. So now,
I'll help
let's
you
look
with.
at what we got here. Here's the heart.
Oh,
Okay.
you're supposed to.
Now here
Heart.
is the liver.
Yes, you don't want the green thing on the liver.
No, we don't want the green thing. Well, there it is, right there.
Wait, what is that green thing?
It's a bile sac.
Would you cut it off?
We can just pull. See? Now that's all good.
And now I'm
And
gonna
that-
help you with.
You want the
thing.
gizzard?
Yeah, I wanna.
Okay.
I wanna. You open the lid, the gizzard, and then I'll pull the brain, the yucky
Okay. Yeah.
thing.
Gonna open it up.
And there's all the yucky stuff.
Yep, there's all the stuff that's been eaten. Some rocks in there, see them? Alright, now let me go wash this off.
And then I'll pull the thing off.
Yep. Where it starts there,
Yeah.
go ahead and pull it off. Okay, pull. Pull hard here, let me help you get started here. Okay, go ahead.
This is hard.
Go ahead. Try to pull it off in one piece. There you go. Good job. Good job.
What do I do with this?
Now we'll just throw that over there in that pile. And then there's the gizzard.
That's the clean part.
All right. Well, we're all done. So here's what we learned. A chicken plucker would be a well worth it investment for us. And also the vacuum sealer just isn't big enough to seal up these chickens. Gonna have to get some of those bags I've seen people use. You get a straw, you put them in, you put the chicken in the bag, put the straw in the center there, and then heat the water temperature up to 190 degrees, stick them in a pot, and then vacuum seal them like that. We'll have to do that next time. But for now, I'm going to clean up. I'm going to use all this water, wastewater from butchering and from cleaning the chickens. I'm going to dump them in the garden. Here we have some homegrown smoked chicken. Oh yeah. Well everybody, I cannot tell you how happy and excited we are that we are producing our own food here at our farm here in Ohio. As we get better and get a better process going, I would like to do a video of how we do everything more in depth, the butchering and everything, if we have enough interest. But it is just so exciting and great to have Kaylee wanting to help us out, and she handled it very well, I thought. But we're producing our own food. I just feel so happy. This has been a dream of mine to have a farm, and this is the first homegrown animal that I've ever killed. I've killed deer before and butchered them, but that was my first time butchering a chicken, and I think it went pretty well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button, the share button, subscribe if you would like. We'd really appreciate it. We'd love to have all of you along with us. And until next time, everybody, thanks for watching.